Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.